Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hago ka jingjia ka bas ngosi we Rung ba ula Khlad no kat ba we pat ula Mynsaw jur haga jing accident haga Shong mau yau ban sidle nong Stone West Khasi Hills District kablaja haga kat pratik uya yong hajar pun riu yau Rung ba ula Khlad haga jingjia latip kerteng uba di barwel marngar uba daina ka Shong nong disong hinriu bla sa minta haga Shong risiang West Khasi Hills District kat ba we pat ubra Mynsaw jur latip kerteng kumuba Celestine timpun naga Shong risiang ka kumu khubor bla yo lum lai thu ba thok thok ka badan you registration number ASREWE sanriu arpra ka ba Shong da kini arngot haga jing bakala kumno kalit Rung Khrum jong ko ka kali pick up truck ka badang wan mal persha hadu uba Shong hading ka thok ula Khlad Hashen ka ba Nongñiah jong ka thok la Mynsaw jur bala pinkit no ayu sa civil hospital nong Stone ki pulet ka yo jing tip hlo ga jingjia kale ben pinlong ya ka jing tokit
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
La khot e ka Shong no ngi kwa yo sngo bhan ka Shong de la khot ka la yat tikila pen sngo hina Shong ki mat jong ki if they keep apprehensions jong ki don hi kan we bet ya ki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ya ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala ban wan kane kawai ka project bi ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kanungut ki bay yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha ka jalla kadon kata kendon ka ba 90% of non-managerial posts kan let shaki locals 50% managerial posts ru kan let shaki local other than that ka shulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namar ba ka ka ba pi amnot ngiru hang ni Shuaban take up yung ganun project. Hindi ban suto bakla. Habang yung warra yung investment. Habang yung warra yung bakum kinigi project. Nget yung nga opi kabakaduk yung mantoy. Kanlong yung ngiki konsama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.